Hello friends, join me as we draw Doraemon. First, let's draw the shape of Doraemon's nose. Next, his eyes. Then, his open mouth. Doraemon, the adorable, blue cat-like robot with a pocket full of gadgets, known for turning everyday life into a whirlwind of excitement, laughter, and futuristic fun. Let's draw his tongue. Next, his whiskers. Then, the shape of his head. And his cat collar bell. I'm drawing the shape of his hand and arm. Then the shape of his body. Next, his belly with a magical pocket. Lastly, his feet. And now, let's add color to Doraemon, together. Let's add yellow to his cat bell, while red color to his collar, inside his mouth and nose. An orange color to his tongue. Color white and light shade of blue to his body. Doraemon is like a fuzzy, blue buddy from the future, always ready for adventures with his round face, giant ears, and a magical pocket on his belly. With a cheerful smile and a knack for using gadgets from tomorrow, he's the whiskered wonder who turns ordinary days into extraordinary escapades. Doraemon watches over Shizuka, his friend, like a guardian angel. It's like having a caring companion who ensures everyone's safety and happiness. Thanks for watching. Until next time.